So I wake up to my daily routine of checking Greencast online for the current soil temperatures, and holy smokes, these temperatures are all over the place. I never thought I would be considering dropping my pre-emergent in February, but here we are. Last year, I dropped around March 15th, the first application, but it looks like I'm going to be dropping some pre-emergent in February. As you can see here in the Yard Mastery app, the recommended soil temperatures for dropping your pre-emergent are between 55 and 70 degrees. And here I am sitting at 60 degrees for my soil temperatures today. And the average for the week has been in the mid-50s. So really, what can you do? One very important thing that I have learned while working in lawn care, and that is you have to learn to work with Mother Nature because she's very unpredictable. Temperatures are all over the place this year. So what can I do? Only one thing. I can drop that pre-emergent. I won't drop my FERT right now, but I can drop that pre-emergent. So that's exactly what I'm about to do. A little bit of prodiamine goes a long way. So be careful with your measurements, measure accurately, and use only what you need. So the spraying is now done. That is the first application of my split application. I will do the second one when the temperatures are approaching 65. Usually I will fertilize along with my pre-emergent, but I don't quite think it's time to put down fertilizer yet. So I've decided to just do the pre-emergent, and now I feel much better. I feel like my lawn is protected. So we're good to go.